Hello guys, welcome to Teach with Code. So today's tutorial is to teach you guys how to create an application that mimics the random motion, like random motion, zigzag motion, using the tkinter model. And so let's begin. So open up my data called Stony. Okay. So this is it. So for the in this tutorial, I'll create a new file called uh, tkrandom. So in this tutorial, in this tutorial, I'll use I'll say like some terms like using temperature, like uh like the aim of this tutorial is just like getting the temperature from different location, but actually just randomly getting those temperature randomly. So I'll say from tkinter. Sorry, import tkinter from tkinter import. So let's create an instance for the tkinter model. I'll call it root. tk. So I'll create a class called indicator. And also what like from the tkinter model, I'll use the scale widget. So I'll say df underscore initialize. So I'll call this self master label equals to an empty string. And also the value, so like the value I want to start, let it start like I'll say, is it I'll say 0.0. I think I'll have to say indicate them, indicate temperature. So I'll create an attribute called self.var. I'll just say variable. Then I'll say double var. So what the work of this is that is to take I'll say double var, like it's decimal places, like a decimal number or something like that. So I'll say okay, double var. Then here I'll say self dot scale equals to the scale widgets master. Okay, so I'll set the label equals label, and also the variable. I think it's something like this. Okay, equals to self var. So now since it is the scale widget, okay, I'll say start from 0.0 to from 0 to 0 to 300.0. And also see the orange, that stands for orientation equal to horizontal, and also the length 300. And there's something, okay, since this is a keyword in Python, so like in the scale widget, there's something like from underscore, just a single underscore. So the next thing is to set also self dot var dot set, like want to like what I'm trying to do is that, okay, everything concern this double var or concern this attribute self dot var should be in a variable called, I'll just leave it variable, or okay, or the best thing I'll say value then self dot scale dot pack. So next thing is to create the function, I'll say set temperature. So in this function, I'll be using the random model and some let's say some logic here. So random choice. I know in this range, that means come on. And also in this variable called the value random choice range 0 to 10. So the work of this function, I'll say the work of this simply it means the letter start from the value should start from 0 and end at 300. So this is 0, this is start, stop in range. So in range there's something like this, range start, stop, and step. So I will have to comment this. So this is start from 0, so the next thing I'll create a variable called the scale list. So I think so the next thing I'll create the scale list here. I'll say for I in range so I think there's an area and also if you want to be if you really want to be a good programmer is to check the errors, make sure you read the errors carefully before looking for the solution in Google or in whatever search engine. So I think the error is coming from this place. There are two errors here. This so so this is the first probe, but this so this is the first probe. So enough. I think okay from 0.0 to 300. Uh, so this is the initial position. The length of this scale is 300. So the reason I put this the orientation horizontal, you can uh, you can change this to vertical, but horizontal to make it look nice. So I think I should remove this. So now everything is working, but the problem is I think I should check for the problem. So I think the problem is coming from uh, and And I know sometimes it is quite frustrating to find a bug in a code. You know, there are ways of calling a function, but when the function is not inside like the button, the label widget, the way the best way to call that function to see its output is to put the brackets, the say parentheses. So let's run this again. Wow, so everything is working. So this is it, guys. Random motion, zigzag, blah 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 blah. So probe 1, probe 2, probe 3, probe 4, probe 5, probe 6, probe 7, probe 8. So these are from different location. uh, so I think this has given you some ideas to create an application, but the problem here is that it's not responsive. So I want you guys to do it as an exercise to make this to look responsive. Like if I expand this, it will look good or nice to the user or to whatever you're trying to do. So once again, thank you guys. Click and make sure you leave a comment. Click and subscribe. Share the video. And in case